so we left out this video last time. Look at the rocket. Wow! What is this?
Jupiter. Sun. Sun.
This is the planet song.
Sun. Mercury.
Venus.
Venus. Earth. Mars.
Now then we go on the round and round. Round and wow, it's spinning fast.
Jupiter. Saturn. Uranus. Neptune.
Okay, we went.
Saturn.
Okay, what do we do like this?
Venus.
Okay, so what do we do here?
Jupiter. Uranus.
Okay, that was fine. So, planet what is it? I don't want to see this. Mars. Okay. What is that? See the cinema. Oh, we want to go where is Mars. Okay, Earth, where is Earth? It's Earth down. Okay, I think so. Earth is like behind us and all this.
Sun.
Okay, who can let us go to Mars?
Mars.
Let's wait on it.
The planet is named after the god of war, Mars. The names of its moons are translated from ancient Greek as horror and fear. During the Martian winter, almost 20% of the atmosphere on Mars is frozen.
Okay, I actually know that.
The northern hemisphere is sleek and plain, and the southern is cut with craters.
Yeah, I know that. Okay, I didn't know that. Why is this way? We don't want it. We want a Tesla.
Let's meet our closest neighbor, Mars. A Martian year is almost twice as long as on the Earth. That means that it takes Mars twice the time it takes the Earth to go around the Sun. Just like the Earth, Mars has a satellite. Actually, two of them. Two huge, gigantic stones. Every 100 years, one of them, Phobos, gets 6 feet closer to Mars and will eventually fall on the planet. Boom! The surface of Mars is covered with reddish dust. That's why it's called the Red Planet. It has volcanoes. The biggest one is called Olympus and is 3 times bigger than our Mount Everest. It is the biggest volcano in the entire solar system. To learn more about Mars, people have sent robots. These rovers take all kinds of samples and pictures of the planet. Perhaps someday, this distant red dot in the sky will become our new home.
Yeah, I know that. I know. Okay.
Jupiter. Mercury. Moon. Mercury.
Yeah, you already saw the video.
Jupiter. Thanks to the huge size, Jupiter can be seen without a telescope. Jupiter makes strange noises, or so-called electromagnetic voices.
Didn't know that.
Jupiter is 2.5 times more massive than all of the other planets in our solar system combined.
I want to for you, but I don't know.
Bright in the sky shines Jupiter. It doesn't emit light of its own, just like the moon. It only reflects the sunlight. Jupiter is the largest and the heaviest planet of the solar system. It has 67 satellites. The largest of them is even bigger than Mercury. You can't land on Jupiter because it's almost entirely made of gas.
Hydrogen.
Every revolution around its axis takes only 10 hours. This crazy speed causes different atmospheric phenomena,
Yes,
such as
so-
hurricanes and storms.
And the red
One
spot.
of these hurricanes is the Big Red Spot.
Yellow.
It is bigger than the Earth and has
Yeah.
lasted for hundreds of years.
It's gonna be so many
That's Jupiter, bright and blustering.
But this is not ours. What the hell? Oh. Yeah, this is what I was thinking. Oh, this is an old map. Oh, no. How is this
Saturn. There is a gigantic cloud hexagon on the northern pole
Yeah, I
of
know.
Saturn.
Of
The biggest
dot
moon
that-
of Saturn is Titan.
Yeah, I
It's
know
the
that.
only moon in the solar system that has atmosphere.
Yes. What
The
is that?
Saturn rings are mostly made of ice particles.
Yeah, so. What the hell is this?
Saturn
Yeah.
is the sixth
Okay,
planet
so-
of the Sun and the second largest planet in the solar system. It
Okay,
belongs
so-
to the so-called gas giants,
Okay.
which consist mainly of various gases and do not have a solid surface.
So,
If you could put Saturn into water, it would float to the surface because hydrogen and helium, which make up a large part of the planet, are lighter than water. Saturn is famous for its rings, which consist of a large number of ice particles, ranging in size from specks of dust to a 3-story house. To ride along one of the rings in a car, we would need a long journey over a year. At the same time, the rings are so thin that if we were on the equator of Saturn, we would not even notice them. Saturn, also known as Lord of the Rings, is the farthest planet that can be seen with the naked eye.
okay, let's see something. It's like computer. Okay, so it's here, somewhere here.
Uranus.
Uranus.
Uranus spins on its side.
Yeah, I know that. It got hit by like a giant thing, like size of Mars. Okay, wrong. Sorry. But like the size of one moon.
Uranus is an extremely cold planet. Because of the tremendous planetary pressure of Uranus, there could possibly be trillions of large diamonds in or on the surface of this planet.
Wow. We want to land on Venus in 2025. Yes.
For a long time, people thought there were only 6 planets because they are easy to see in the night sky. Uranus, the 7th planet from the Sun, was discovered much later with a telescope and named after the Greek god of the sky, Zeus's grandfather. Unlike other planets, Uranus rotates on its side. Presumably, it got this tilt from a collision with a large body the size of Earth.
Yes.
Like Saturn, it has rings, but they are dark and do not reflect light. Together with its brother Neptune,
Yeah.
Uranus forms a group of so-called ice giants.
I
Because
know
of their
that.
distance from the sun, light and heat that come to the surface are so scarce that even during
Yeah.
the day there is twilight and it is terribly cold.
Okay, see in the next episode, we're gonna continue Neptune and we're gonna go to another dog planet. But anyways, bye. You wanna say bye? Yes. No. Someone.
Sun. Sun, Earth, Jupiter, Uranus, Jupiter, Saturn,
Yeah.
Uranus, Sun,
Odd. Sunday,
Neptune.